Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, for those of you who are new, and if you are new, I'm a huge project painter, but I love to get really good deals as well. And today I have a haul from you from Marshall's. So if you're interested in seeing what I found at Marshall's, just keep on watching. And if you're new, I hope you will subscribe for more videos. I have a project pan finale coming up on March 25th. I'm really excited. I kept everything that I have used throughout the whole year for my makeup, so I hope you will come back for that. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, so I just put everything that I got from Marshall's on the floor, and I have a couple here that I'm going to make into different videos later. I'll show those first. This one here is from the brand Beauty Concepts. This is a tinted lip gloss. I'll probably go ahead, try these on for you in another video, but I thought these were really fun, and I really do like trying new lip glosses. This here is from Burts Bees, and this is the 12 Holiday Surprises. It was from last Christmas time. So I'm really interested. There's 12 different chapsticks in here, or balms, and I will be doing a video on that shortly. But I do have another one here. This is the Burts Balms, and it's a 3 in a pack. So this first one here is in the color Rose. That's a really fun shade, I think. This one here is Pink Blossom, and then this shade is Sweet Violet. So I'm really excited to have these. I like moisturizing lip products more than anything, really. I use those kind of products all the time. I got a couple more of these. These are the Wander Beauty. If you missed my video, I did a video, I want to say a couple weeks ago, and it was just a haul from TJ Maxx. So I got two other ones there, different colors. Go ahead, check that out if you haven't. But so this one here is in the color Sweet Talker, and this is what it looks like, or Suit Talker. I think that's what they meant. So this is what the color looks like. It's really pretty. I like this texture. It's really balmy, just like a chapstick. And of course, the bottom, oh, it's always hard to open. So this is the bottom looks like. So that is going to be really nice. And then I have one more of those. And this is in the shade Rendezvous and Swipe. So that's what this one looks like. Really pretty pink. I really like this shade here quite a bit. And then I have, of course, it's just this regular clear. So that's really nice. I have a few of these here. These are from Dr. Pawpaw. This is the Rich Mocha Balm, and these are 98% natural, which I really like. If you've never heard of this brand before, I tried this from BoxyCharm many years ago. I liked it. It was just a sample, but I remember really liking it. So this is for your lips, cheeks, and it says you can skin it. You can use it for a hint of tint anywhere by the looks of it. So this one is, of course, in the shade Rich Mocha Balm. This one is in the shade Peach Pink Balm, and this one is in this shade Hot Pink Balm. So these are going to be nice to have. Also, I won't use them probably on my cheeks, but I will use them for my lips. And then this here is from MAC. This is the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. I have never used hardly anything from MAC. I have a few powder products from MAC, but I've never used any of their mascaras that I remember anyway. So I'll be glad to try that out. This here, I guess I forgot to open. Hopefully it's easy to open here. Let's see. Oh, good, it is. This I almost didn't get. This is the Dazzle stick, and it is from Vegan Beauty KVD, I guess. And it's a longwear eyeshadow, which I don't normally buy eyeshadows, but I thought this color was going to be really fun. Very glittery, as you can see, and I'm excited to try this out. And it's just like a topper. I think I'm going to use it with the rest of my eyeshadow, whatever I'm wearing. Oh, here, I almost forgot this one. This is a liptonix from JCat Beauty, and this is a shimmer topper, also another eyeshadow product. But look at this pretty eyeshadow. It's so glittery. I love glittery. I love pink. So I love cool tone products, especially for eyeshadow. Well, really anything. I think it looks better on me. So I'm excited to try that. I have this from Florence Beauty. This is a bronzer. It says Florence by Mills. And I still have it somewhat hooked into the product in the packaging. This is the Marble Bronzer with warm tones. So I don't This was really cheap. It looks really, really nice. I have other products from Florence Mills, and not very many though that I can think of. I might be mistaking it with another one, but this product looks really, really nice. So I'll have to try that out. I have 2 more products. I have this from Laura Geller. I haven't tried anything like this from Laura Geller. It's actually beautiful. It says that, well, there we go. It's the Treat and Go Tinted Lip Oil. So really pretty color. I love, again, the glitter in this product. It's beautiful. And the last thing I bought is this here. This is from Florence, and this is a lip comfort oil. So this is what this one looks like. Not too much glittery, but I do like the color on occasion, maybe for a weekend. I don't think I'd wear this at work, but I think for a weekend it would be really nice. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day, everyone.